The government isn't telling you about the US economy could destroy your savings, the numbers just dropped, and they're alarming. While mainstream media celebrates a GDP rebound, buried in the official reports is a ticking time bomb that threatens every American household. The US economy just posted 3.8% growth in Q2 2025. Sounds great, right? Wrong, because hidden beneath that number are three catastrophic threats that could trigger the next financial crisis. Threat number 1. The deficit death spiral. The US government is burning through trillions in deficits right now, not billions, trillions. Imagine your family spending $7 for every $5 you earn, every single month. That's America in 2025. This isn't sustainable. It's financial suicide. History shows us what happens next. Argentina, Greece, Venezuela. It starts with deficits, it ends with collapse, and we're running out of time. Threat number 2. The silent wealth destroyer. Inflation is still at 2.9%, well above the Federal Reserve's target. That means your dollar is losing value every single day. But here's what they're not telling you. Core inflation, sticky, it's not coming down. The Fed is trapped. If they cut rates too soon, inflation explodes. If they wait too long, the economy crashes. We're caught between a rock and a hard place, and your savings are in the crossfire. Threat number 3, the growth mirage, that 3.8% GDP growth. Here's the dirty secret Wall Street doesn't want you to know. It was driven by falling imports, not actual production, not real expansion. Translation, Americans are buying less from overseas because they're running out of money. Plus, there's regional devastation the national numbers are hiding. Manufacturing states, bleeding. Energy states, booming. But overall, a house of cards, when consumer spending finally cracks, and the data shows it will. This entire recovery vanishes overnight. Now here's where it gets terrifying. These three threats aren't isolated, they're interconnected. High deficits push up interest rates, higher rates crush consumer spending, lower spending triggers unemployment. Unemployment forces more government spending. More spending means bigger deficits. It's a death spiral, and we're already in it. The Bureau of Economic Analysis admits their GDP numbers are revised constantly. The Bureau of Labor Statistics inflation data, it underestimates what you actually pay for housing and healthcare. The real numbers, they're worse than reported. And unemployment at 4.1%, that doesn't count the millions who've given up looking for work entirely. The official statistics, they're a carefully crafted illusion. So who gets hurt when this house of cards falls? Retirees. Your fixed income gets destroyed by inflation. Middle class. Your savings lose value while your costs skyrocket. Small businesses. Rising rates and falling demand will crush you. Homeowners. Mortgages become unaffordable. Property values plummet. Nobody is safe. Not this time. Here's what you need to do in the next 30 days to protect yourself. Week 1. Monitor your exposure. Check your portfolio. How much is in stocks, in bonds, in cash? Week 2. Run worst-case scenarios. What if inflation hits 5%? What if unemployment doubles? Can you survive? Week 3. Take action. Hedge against inflation. Diversify. Build emergency reserves now. Week 4. Lock in protection. If you need financing, get it before rates spike higher. If you have floating rate debt, refinance now. This isn't optional. This is survival. The Federal Reserve's own minutes from September 2025 show officials are worried. They're data dependent, which is code for "we don't know what to do." Treasury data shows fiscal constraints are real and immediate. State-level GDP data reveals the recovery is fragile and uneven. These aren't conspiracy theories. These are official government warnings hidden in plain sight, and they're telling us, brace for impact. You have a choice right now. You can ignore these warnings like most Americans will, and suffer the consequences. Or, you can act. Protect your wealth, prepare your family, survive what's coming. The data doesn't lie. The crisis is real. The time to act is now. This is Data Focus Official. We show you the numbers they don't want you to see. Subscribe, share this video, and prepare yourself. Because the economic time bomb, it's already started ticking.